So it is officially the end of award season here in Los Angeles. My kit is in absolute shambles. I have 20 different bags of stuff that I put into different places. Depending on the client, I kind of switch out certain things. I just wanted to see if you wanted to repack my kit with me, get it all organized. You see what's in my bags, and yeah, I'm a celebrity hairdresser of 20 years, and come join me on rejudging my very messy kit. Okay, I've wheeled this stuff out into my dining room. Sorry, I'm chewing, I'm having a little snack. So basically I have a giant suitcase that I need to put back into the smaller suitcase and then redistribute everything. So I also have my wine, much needed liquid courage. Also, I'm in my slippers, don't judge me. Okay, I've been procrastinating this for a minute, so let's get into it. This is the one that's full. So normally, these are the away suitcases. See, this is normally what I put my kit in, and then I have like a side bag. But because of award season, I had some sponsorships, I had extra products, I had extra things. I want to be extra prepared, so I upgraded to the bigger size. So now I want to get back to this. Also, these little stickers are from a brand, a hair care brand for curls called Okoa. Check them out, they're a very cool company. Okay. And I want to say my kit never looks this messy, ever, 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 ever. I've also been like pulling stuff out of it to film with because I'm trying to film more YouTube, so it's an absolute mess. But we're gonna fix that. So this side I keep my irons and brushes and bobby pins. Oh, by the way, very important, this is my pin tray. You know I have a hair and bobby pin company called Day Rate Beauty, so you can see all the different colors we make. Very important pin tray. And I actually need to restock some of those. My brush kit, my irons. So I have way too many duplicitous irons in here. I have all of my GHDs and my T3s. Different clients like different irons, so I just, for sake of sanity, wanted to put all of them in one. This is the T3 iron. I'm gonna just recoil the cords. They come, nowadays they come with these, oh boy, I'm doing a bad job of this. Nowadays they come with these little zip ties, thank God, because I used to have to buy them, and now I can just, now they come with them. So I'm going to take the T3 out and leave the GHD in. Not for any reason, but I know my next client, I think her hair is a little bit shorter, and these barrels are super long, so I'm gonna take the T3 out, keep the GHD in. Again, I like both of these brands a lot. These are my favorite irons. I've been working with all of them for years. The cool thing about T3 is that you can try, they're international tools, so you don't need a converter, electrical converter, you just need an adapter. They're got universal voltage, especially that brand new airbrush. So these are gonna go in a T3 bag, T3 flat iron. This one is cool because it's got a rounded edge, so you can kind of do like flat iron ways with it, or just like a straight up flat iron. It's very, very, very cool. And these colors are so beautiful. They're just gorgeous, gorgeous irons. They look beautiful on, see, like this GHD one doesn't have a zip tie thingy, a little Velcro thing. So I just pull it down and then gently wrap the cord in a tidy way. If you do it too tight, I feel like the wires eventually break, and that's what makes your irons have a short life. So at least it's a little tidy, but you can see I put one on this one, but I still need to do it. These are two different sizes. I have my GHD flat iron, a small curling iron. So I have 3 different sizes of curling irons. That tiny curling iron is a Hot Tools. It's like a little Marcel iron. I usually use those 2 bigger ones, but just in case I like to have a smaller one. I also have, for even smaller curls, this is my curl bag. I have my Dyson. This is the best diffuser because you can turn the heat off. This is like my little curl kit. I have tiny, tiny, itty, this is like a pencil thin iron. It's the smallest iron I've ever had. Anyway, there's a lot of tiny irons in here in case I have a curly client. I can get everything done I need in there. So this is actually, this bag is good to set aside. Okay, then these are my heat protecting pads at the, you know, I can zip them up at the end of the, this goes on the table so it protects whatever surfaces I'm working on. And then this is like a travel one. So that I just put on my iron. Oh wait, I meant to put these in a smaller suitcase. God. All right, so this side is empty. That side is empty. And in here, I was working with brunette. So I have all of my brunette hair extensions that would match for her. They're like medium to dark brown hair, different lengths and shades of brunette that I can customize to anybody that I'm working with. So like if somebody doesn't have highlights, I could put some in for the night just so that they kind of capture on the red carpet under all the flashlight bulbs. Flashlight bulbs. All right, and then my AirTag. Very important to go wherever. So when I'm traveling, if the kit is lost, I'm able to find it. Okay, half side done. Not bad. Oh God. This is my set bag. So it has like all of the tiny little tools that I need to work with. This is a bag of dark brown elastics of different sizes. Then I have like my Color Wow color powders for roots. I have more elastics. I just bought this little thing, this L'Oreal Magic Root Touch-Up. It's like a little pen, which is kind of cool. Some blacks hair ties, hair elastics, those are good. A little tiny mirror so people can see the back of their, if they're doing like an updo or the back of their head. I have a portable pin tray. Then I have, I keep my shine spray in my set bag because it's oftentimes the last thing I do. I spray this super light shine spray onto a big fluffy brush and glide it over the hair. So it just applies the shine spray. This is by Alpha Parf Milano, Cristalli spray. It applies the shine spray without making it too oily or gloopy. It's just a nice little application and it will catch extra flyaways. These are my combs. These are my sectioning clips. These are more sectioning clips. Let's see, organize the combs. I have, this is the Rose Evergreen Style Cream. This is great for last minute flyaway touch-ups. Same hair, it's like a hair tamer from this brand called Rehab, which just like slides over little flyaways as well. These are all like last minute touch-ups. Then I have Day Ray Beauty, my brand, my hairpin tubes. So I keep some in my in the tubes and some in the pin tray, just depending on what I'm doing. And then this will all go back in, zipped up. Oh, more. This is like a toothbrush, but it's like a touch-up. It's for getting flyaways. And then this is a comb. This, in case you didn't know, is a comb. So this is like my home screen. I like keep everything in here. I can work out of it, and then it goes with me when I'm going to set. I can take all the things. I have Band-Aids, clips. I have a wine opener. You never know. You never know. Okay, this is disgusting. I'm gonna go clean these brushes and put them in my hair kit real quick. Oh my God. Brushes have been cleaned. The zipper is broken on this, but I don't want to waste plastic, so I'm just gonna keep it as is. Oh, I have to put this. This is my palette that I mix gels on for slick updos like the one I have now. It used to be the lid of a mirror. Okay. This is my, this is my scissor kit. I always keep an extra comb just in case. This is an apron that I wear on myself to help protect my clothes so I don't get itchy. My scissors. This is an extra bag I can take out. Some day rate towels. Oh gosh. My products. I will do a bigger video about which products I have in here, but just for now, I will tell you I have volumizers, products like this Color Wow that will, I'm always thinking about shine on the red carpet, and I have products that give shine, products that give volume, products for smooth, sleek looks. I have heat protectors, I have gels, also for looks like the one I have on now. Blow dry bouncers, I have Renee Furter. Okay, so let me just call out the brands that are in here. I have Fido Volume, I have Rose, I have Arnco Blue, Kevin Murphy, I have Renee Furter, Kevin Murphy, Chris McMillan, Oribe, Hours Hair Care, Chris McMillan, Color Wow, Chris McMillan, Oribe, Renee Furter, Rose, and Rose. So those are the products in my kit. I can do a deeper dive on what each of those do if anyone is interested. Okay. All right, suitcase empty. I love the away luggages. I really, you know, someone that works out of a suitcase, these are very, very, very durable. And if something happens to them, they'll replace it for you. So that's amazing. Let's do this again. I'm gonna put I put one towel down in case there's any spillage. I should say that little condomy like thing that I showed you on my shine spray, that's to help with leaks, but you know, sometimes things just leak anyway. So I sandwich my products between two towels so that if something leaks, it gets caught a little bit. Then I am going to put in let's do the irons first to get that out of the way. The zipper's broken too. I just don't like to throw things away. I'm always thinking about it still works. It's just, I don't want things to end up in landfills. So even though that zipper's broken. And then I have this. Oh, the one thing I'm missing is my extension cord power strip, because this is a lot of electricity that generates from this. So it's actually in the other room. I need to get a new one. Anyway, for now, that's good. I'm gonna put in my little home screen, my workstation, my scissors, my pins in here. What else do I have here? I keep my hair extensions in these little bags that I got from the brand Rose. These are amazing. So I have my brunettes in this one, cute little Aviva embroidered. So this is my brunette bag. This is my blonde bag, and I have all the color. This is my blonde color sprays that has Rita Hazan and Arnco. So this is all I need for blondes and brunettes. I can just grab one depending on who I'm working with. All of the extensions, which cleaning those is a whole other thing. This bag, I have no idea. Oh, this is some travel products. What's in here? Oh, another Dyson blow dryer with a diffuser. I don't need that. See, I just have all of these bags. All right, so I think we're in a good space. I'm gonna put an extra day rate bag in here for when I'm going to set. I can put that in and carry it with me. Oh, I am gonna put in some dark hair extensions. I am going to put in, this is a Kristen S root tamer. So if you're getting you can't get someone who has curly hair so close to the root, I'll use this it's got the little comb so it protects them and it just smooths out the roots. This is really cool iron. That is for sure going back in the kit. Okay, so extensions. Oh, my Apple AirTag, very important. I think we're in a good spot. That was not as bad as I thought it was. Since my extension cord is not in here, I'm gonna put my pin tray in here somewhere. I'm gonna do that. I'm gonna put my pin tray here. Just zip it in. And that is my pro hair kit, and I can do just about anything with that, and then I've grabbed the bag that has the corresponding colors. These are my curl kit, and the rest is kind of gonna go in storage. These T3 irons are not ever gonna go back in. As certain clients, I will swap them out before I go to work with them. So I'm just gonna keep these on the side. So that's my pro hair kit. Living out of a suitcase. I am so happy for these suitcases, like I said. Now I'm ready to go to work. Main kit, curl kit, hair extensions, extra irons, wine, cell phone. Me. You see now why hairdressers have bad backs.
back to the studio.
So thank you so much for watching today. I hope that was informational at all. A little glimpse into the kit, a little voyeuristic look into what I actually use. Please like and subscribe and share with your friends. Tell everyone if you're a hairdresser. Let me know if you use any of those products below. And thank you for being with me. Follow me at Hair by Aviva, my brand Day Rate Beauty, and see you in my next one. Thank you so much for being here with me.